In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a list from Aweber. Start by logging into your Aweber account. On the left-hand side menu, you will see the Subscribers option. Click on it and a submenu will appear. Make sure you have selected Subscribers to access the list view. Here you will see all the subscribers in your account. For example, I currently have 7. If you want to export the entire list, scroll to the bottom of the page. You will find the Export CSV option. Click on it once and the list will download to your device as a CSV file. This file can be imported into other platforms that support subscriber lists. If you simply want to read the list in a more user-friendly format, you can convert it to PDF. To do this, open a new browser tab and search for CSV to PDF converter. Choose one of the available tools, upload your CSV file, and convert it. The converter will generate a PDF displaying all of your subscriber information, which you can download and keep for personal use. And that is how you can export an Aweber list.